Thank you for considering Schoolmate Publishing to create your classroom book. When you order your free publishing kit, you'll need to choose a page template for your student's work. There are 8 standard templates available, 5 portrait, and 3 landscape templates. Or choose from 6 different theme templates with predetermined writing themes. The best template for your students depends on grade level and how many students are participating. For grades K through 2, we recommend using P3, the Portrait Primary Line Template, or L3, the Landscape Primary Line Template. The primary lines help guide the students as they write. These templates are designed to give each student 2 pages, one for their illustration and the other for their writing. For grades 3 to 4, we suggest using P2, L2, or P5. These templates have solid lines a little closer together. P2, the Portrait Solid Line Template, and L2, the Landscape Solid Line Template, are designed to give each student 2 pages, one for writing and the other for illustrations. P5, the Writer's Choice Template, also gives each student 2 pages, but allows for 1.5 pages of writing and a half page for artwork. For 5th grade, choose from P2, L2, P5, or the blank templates P1 or L1. The blank templates allow for more flexibility for students and work well if books contain only artwork or typed writing. Blank templates can be used for any grade level. Our theme templates provide a predetermined topic to direct students' writing and creativity. Themes include All About Me, Animals, Comic Book, Kindness, When I Grow Up, and When I'm 100. The first 3 pages of every template are reserved for a title page, a dedication page, and 1 personal page, leaving 66 pages for student material, plus a personal page in the back of the book. That's enough for 33 students if each student uses 2 pages. If you have more than 33 students, no problem. Select P4, the Portrait Half Blank Half Line Template. This template allows for up to 66 students, with each student getting 1 page. Use the top half for artwork and the bottom half for writing. Because space is so condensed, P4 works best for upper grades. You can also use P1 or L1 and give each student 1 page. PDFs of all of our templates can be found under the printable material link on our webpage. You can print copies of the template you choose at any time, for practice drafts, or your final pages to send to us. Hard copies of standard templates can be shipped to you when you request your kit, or you can print them after requesting your kit. Theme templates can only be downloaded and printed from our printable material link on our webpage. If a student makes a mistake, you can use the replacement pages from your kit or print new pages. Use the replacement page number stickers in your kit to renumber pages if needed. Just be sure to stick the correct page number on the sheet. Thank you for considering Schoolmate Publishing as your partner in publishing your classroom book. We look forward to helping your students become published authors.